welcome back and happy Valentine's Day. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this photo display that you see behind me here. I think it's so adorable and it would make such a great last minute Valentine's Day gift. Talking about Valentine's Day, a couple weeks ago I posted a video with a couple Valentine's Day crafts. So if you are interested in that, go check that out. Now, one of the reasons why I love this hanging so much is because it has that macrame feel, but we're not going to be using macrame techniques per se. So it's super easy to make and it goes by super quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. To make this hanging photo display, you'll only need a few supplies. You'll need some macrame cord. I'm using a 3mm size, scissors, small clothespins, a wooden dowel, or even a stick that you find outside would work. I'm going to be using 10 photos, 2x3 wallet size. And then as an option, you can add wooden beads to give the display some visual interest. Before starting this project, I ordered 2x3 wallet size pictures from Walgreens. The mini Polaroids would also work really well, and this wall hanging fits about 10 pictures. Also, it's nice to order some portrait and landscape orientations to give the display some variety. To start this project, what we need to do first is attach the string where our display is going to hang from to our wooden dowel by wrapping the string 2 to 3 times and then triple knotting on each end. Then we're going to set our wooden dowel aside and start cutting our macrame cord. We're going to need 9 45-inch macrame pieces to create the 3 main braids where our photos are going to attach to. Once you have your pieces cut, find somewhere to hang your wooden dowel so that you can start working. We are going to attach each macrame cord one by one using what's called a lark's head knot. So to do that, fold your macrame cord in half and then take the loop end and put that over and behind the wooden dowel, and then put the 2 tail ends of that cord through the loop. And we're going to start our first braid in the middle of the wooden dowel, so make sure to slide that first cord towards the center. And then attach 1 cord to each side of that center one so that we can start our first braid. And then go ahead and make a simple braid going all the way down, leaving a little tail of about 1 inch from the end. Once you reach the end of your braid, make a simple knot to secure it. Now we're going to make 2 more braids just like the last one on either end of the wooden dowel. Make sure to end the remaining braids a little above the center one so that it creates a V shape in the end. Now that our braids are done, we're going to cut 4 more macrame cords at 45 inches so that we can fill in the gaps between the braids. Attach 2 cords to the left of the center braid and then the remaining 2 to the right of the center braid. To give some visual interest to these cords, I'm going to be making just simple knots all along each strand. Once you're done with all of the little knots, it's time to take care of the ends. So what we want to do is make sure to cut the ends so that it creates a V shape. Then set your hanging down and fray the ends. And now your hanging is ready for some photos. Use clothespins to hold your pictures in place on the 3 braids that we created. And as you can see here, I'm alternating between portrait orientation and landscape orientation to give it some variety and so that it looks a little more interesting. So I think this turned out so adorable, and as you can see here, I ended up adding some wooden beads in between the knots. So if you do have beads, I think it really adds to the photo display. All right, everyone, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you'll give this display a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Until next time, bye.